Hey, I'm Jeffrey Marles from Listowel Honda, and today I'm excited to take you on a virtual tour of the 2025 Honda Civic Sport Hybrid. This sleek, efficient sedan blends advanced hybrid technology with the iconic Civic design, offering an exhilarating driving experience while being kind to the environment. Let's dive in and explore what makes the 2025 Civic Hybrid stand out. Feel the quiet power and control of the Civic Hybrid with a 2-liter direct injection 4-cylinder engine, working alongside 2 electric motors to help produce up to 200 horsepower and 232 foot-pounds of torque. You'll see just how exhilarating an electrified ride can be. And with Honda's e-CVT transmission, you'll enjoy smooth acceleration and seamless transitions, whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway. And for those looking to maximize efficiency, the Civic Hybrid offers selectable drive modes: Econ for added fuel efficiency, Normal for cruising, and Sport for a dynamic handling experience. All engineered to dial in the throttle, suspension, and steering so you can feel more confident in virtually any scenario. The 2025 Civic Hybrid makes a strong statement with its bold and aerodynamic design, from sleek front grille to signature LED headlights with a modern dual low beam design. Every detail is crafted for both style and efficiency. From the sculpted roofline to the elongated hood and clean body lines, the Civic's sporty profile exudes a sense of dynamic energy and modern elegance, making it stand out on the road with its athletic and refined appearance, while the 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels connect you to the road and add a touch of sophistication. Step inside the 2025 Civic Hybrid and you'll find a cabin that's both modern and welcoming. Premium materials such as available leather-trimmed heated front seats and leather-wrapped steering wheel create a refined atmosphere. And with ample legroom and headroom, both driver and passengers can enjoy a comfortable ride while catching some fresh air with the single-touch power moonroof. The versatile 60/40 split fold-down rear seat back makes it easy to make more room for your gear. Now let's talk tech and cutting-edge technology designed to keep you connected and entertained. The centerpiece is a 9-inch display audio system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, allowing you to seamlessly connect your smartphone for navigation, music, and more. The available Bose 12-speaker premium audio system fills the cabin with crisp, clean sound, making every drive an auditory experience. Plus, with wireless charging and Google built-in, you can access hands-free help with Google Assistance, navigate with real-time traffic updates and Google Maps, and explore your favorite apps on Google Play, all with your voice. Safety is paramount in the 2025 Civic Hybrid. It comes equipped with the Honda Sensing suite of safety and driver assist technologies. This includes features like collision mitigation braking, road departure mitigation system, lane keeping assist system, and adaptive cruise control with low-speed follow. These features work together to enhance your awareness and keep you safe on the road. Additionally, the Civic Hybrid offers a multi-angle rear-view camera and available blind spot information system to help you navigate with confidence. Thank you for joining me on this walk-around of the 2025 Civic Sport Hybrid. If you are ready to experience the perfect blend of performance, efficiency, and style, come visit us at Listowel Honda. For more information or to book a test drive, visit us online at listowelhonda.com.